You want to make letter P. Small letter B. Ready? Nice. Small. Okay. Now make small one. One. Okay.
One. Two. Three.
Okay.
Four.
Okay.
5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Now can count these. What is the number? Mohammad Ali, tell me what is the number? 5. Okay, count and put it color. This one. Or you want, yes. 1. No, here. 2. You will count, my dear. 3.
And 4.
Okay, 4.
And 5.
What is the letter?
Mm.
Can you show me the small letter A? Okay, next letter. Fine. Small letter with the capital letter. Go down.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
Wow. Nice. Now make small one. Camel. Does it? Yes, here. What this?
shoot.
Fish?
Yes.
Is it water animal or the land animal? You can see the... Yes, Harim. Which one? Fish. Okay. Parrot. Excellent. Usman, more press. Good job. Show me your dinosaur. Oh, good. Awesome. You know? More press. Okay, show me. Nice one. Usman, more press. Are you making? Yes, more press. Usman, how can you spell your name? Can you read? U S M A R H. Yes. I, Mohammed. I. What is the name of this fruit? Do you like pineapple?
Did it stick? Yes. Now you put it. Yes. Color also.
Nice job, Kareem. What is the name of this fruit? Do you like pineapple? Okay. Now make me G for girl. No, this is G.